What? 2 unboxing videos in the same day? You guys are lucky. Alright, let's get this open. Now, I seen this model on eBay by a seller in Germany, and I wanted to get the model, but it appeared on DHS Diecast, so might as well get it from there. And yes, I have bought the from the German seller before, and it's the Sennebogen 5500 crane. So yes, I do know the person that I'm buying the crane from. Thank you for your purchase. Satisfaction guaranteed. Thanks, Chuck. Ooh, look at this. So this will be the new addition for the Sennebogen, because it's kind of lonely. Anything else in the box? Nope. Put this over here. We're going straight to the dumpster. Alright. It's blurry, but I don't care. Which one's the top? There we go. Ooh, that did not sound good. Let's cut open the tape. Here it is. That's supposed to look like that. Holy, you're beefy. And it's the Bauer MC96 crawler crane. No, it's not a drill, it's a crawler crane. I know you can't see that well, but yeah, it's pretty dense, very dense. I gotta reef the crane. Well, here comes the stress. Well, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Looks a little dark, but yeah, everybody enjoy your weekend. See you guys next time.